have completed the mission. See you again. This car is super fast. Hurry up. Hurry up. Wow, this car is so nice. I've got an idea. Good idea.
Hey, you! Hey, you! Hey, you! Achoo!
What is this? I'm having a trouble. I'll help you. Good job. It's over there. Oh, no. You were great.
Oh.
My car has been stolen. Don't worry, you got me.
Hey!
Okay, let's go. What are you doing? Oh my God! Stop now.
Oh!
It is very dangerous ahead. Help me! Help me! Please call an ambulance for me. Oh my God! Hurry up. It hurts. Wow, that's great. I'm not fine at all. Stop now. Oh, what is this? Don't worry, you got me.
Help! Help!
Okay. Wonderful. Wait, wait. We have to move it out of here. What do we do now?
No, please! No!
Oh no, I'm sorry.
Ow! Ow! No! Oh! Oh!
We have to help him. Let's go.
Okay.